Welcome everybody. Still in Venice. I just went to an excellent museum. Damn, I can't even remember the name of it now. But it was really good. A lot of great Renaissance era art. And so now I'm going to head across town, actually to another museum, which is a whole different kind of a vibe, that other one. But yeah, I'm not here. Today's my last full day in Venice, so I'm really kind of trying to get as much stuff in as I can. I would like to go to this museum that's to the left of me now. Over here is a Leonardo da Vinci exhibit of some sort. I didn't really look at the details of it though, but if it's a Da Vinci thing, I'm down to do it. So I'd like to check that out, but I don't know that I'm going to have time if I'm only here for today. Sacred Art Museum. There seems like a few spots around Venice where the internet signal seems to cut out. There's like no coverage. But as always, for anybody who's not aware, as always, the full episodes are always on the YouTube channel the next day, which are locally recorded, so they won't have any, if there's any cutouts or whatever, it'll be correct on the YouTube video. Also, there are some videos when I don't have internet at all that don't even go up on the streams, so you wouldn't even see it on the Twitch channel, but you can find it in the YouTube playlist of the trip.
Oh, God, yeah.
Oh, I've been to this area before. Wow. I know where I am, sort of. I would like to buy a bottle of water. Yeah, this gelato place.
Facciamo il cono piccolo, si può fare uno o due testi. Uno o due testi. Allora facciamo ciò e
Is this the regular water? Yeah.
Grazie.
Just this.
Già da questo caso, mamma, te lo devo mantenere mamma, perché grazie, quindi scendiamo. Hai visto?
Sí, igual toda Italia los vinos son buenos.
Damn, these things always get stuck on these bottles they have here. Okay. Oh, it's been a little while since the previous trip. I forgot which side of my backpack the water bottles go in. Good to be back on vacation. Working vacation, whatever you call it. Alright, so. There's a lot of cool stuff to do. I'm gonna probably try and get some food, so let's close out the show. And I'll be back doing something else later. So keep an eye out. Nice little walk from the museum to this middle of the city area. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.